His name was Thomas Sankara, and in just 4 years, he would change his country forever. Born in 1949 in Yako, Sankara grew up in a modest family. He chose the path of the military, but his mind was never limited to the battlefield. While training abroad, precisely Madagascar, he witnessed revolutions, people rising against oppression. That was when his mission became clear. Africa must stand on its own. In 1983, at just 33 years old, Sankara seized power in a revolution supported by his close ally, Blaise Compaoré. But unlike most leaders, Sankara didn't come to rule. He came to transform. He renamed his country to Burkina Faso, the land of upright people. And from that moment, everything changed. Sankara lived differently. He reduced his own salary, sold off luxurious government cars, and banned corruptions at every level. But that was only the beginning. He empowered women, banned forced marriages, and gave women powerful role in his government. He vaccinated millions of children. He planted trees to stop the desert from swallowing his land, and he told his people, produce what you consume. No more dependence, no more control from outside forces. Sankara was not just a president, he was a voice Africa had been waiting for. Inspired by leaders like Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, he challenged the world. He stood before African nations and said, if we do not resist, we will remain slaves to debt. His words shook global powers. On 15th of October 1987, the revolution was silenced. He was assassinated in a coup. He was only 37 years old, but his ideas could not be buried. Today, Thomas Sankara is remembered as one of Africa's greatest leaders, a man of integrity, a symbol of resistance, often called Africa's version of Che Guevara. His message still echoes across the continent. Africa must rise by its own strength. He ruled for only 4 years, but his legacy still lived forever. If you believe Africa's history deserves to be told, subscribe to History Quest because the past still shapes the future. Thank you for watching. Till the next time, keep learning. Bye for now.